Some people walk in the rain. Some just get wet. Some people cherish the memories. Some just forget. Some people dream of what might be. Some just rely on fate. Some people look toward eternity. Some just a calendar date. Some people share who they are. Some just who they're not. Some people. Some people walk in the rain. Some people listen to what you have to say. Some just nod a lot. Some people change your day with their smile. Some just aren't as grand. Some people touch you with their whole being. Some just with their hand. Some people take part of you with them wherever they go. Some just leave you behind. Some people. Some people walk in the rain. Some people share their wisdom. Some treat you as a fool. Some people don't play games. Some just make more rules. Some people don't need an explanation. Some just wouldn't understand. Some people freely give all that they have. Some just take what they can. Some people stand beside you against the wind. Some just hide in your shadow. Some people. Some people walk in the rain. Some people have become a part of your soul. Some just don't know there's such a place. Some people see the world in your eyes. Some just a single face. Some people speak out in honesty. Some just whisper behind your back. Some people see a garden and a single flower. Some just a few petals of a rose. Some people walk in the rain. Some people will forever have you in their heart. Some just call you a friend. Some people walk in the rain.